All right, we got a ghost driver hammering down, foot on the floor. Oh wait, the throttle's not down, the brake is. Got a prop rod on the brake here to check for air leaks, to finish checking on replacing the brake diaphragm, and now also changing the air brake hose, because sure enough it was easier to tell the hose beside it was leaking before having done oh yeah, okay, anyway, air hose that was here in this position that I was just dealing with moments ago was leaking, so I had to dig and take out an old spare, and now we're going to make sure there's no other leaks here by soap testing this, because before the air was blowing out of the diaphragm enough that I wasn't absolutely certain that, yeah, right underneath the hose insulation shown on the other video and the cover of this one, that it was leaking there. So that's all good. And while we're at it, just in case more parts need to be gotten other than just one new one to have handy if that used one goes to making an issue of itself. Okay, see that foaming? I got to get another hose. So yay. All right, what else? Hadn't been hearing any problems back here, but with the way things are going, boss been checking with people, figuring out what to do. I've been having to haul loads and clean and rearrange the truck to try to fit my tools and spare parts and all my personal gear in there in case I get broke down or stranded or something, or to be able to take care of myself if things get crazy in this country, like is coming quickly with a bunch of dead gun people just hiking across that border that I go close to pretty well every morning, including apparently, instead of Chinese, most likely North Koreans, and hopefully they are defectors and not, oh look, brake light's working, not trained troops of the new 800,000 in their added to their military. They're getting 800,000 more. How in the heck they're doing that, I don't know. I guess they're pretty populated for such a little country, because I don't think USA has that many troops out of all of our citizens. Of course, we don't force people to do that at this point in time. Just keep in mind to speak up to your legislators and tell them don't draft your girls. Get them lazy boys up and going first. Let the girls do it optional. There's too many places that have no respect for women folk and don't mind to be awful disgusting and terrible to them. So got to just tighten some fittings over here. Okay. Shoots. I guess this should have been done yesterday instead of making it so I would fit in the cab. All right. Good night, folks.